Good day everyone, this is your friend Jake, and in this tutorial video we will create a simple Python program that will ask the user to give distance in kilometers, and then it will convert into miles distance equivalent. Before we continue, I would like to say thank you very much to all my viewers and subscribers in my channel. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel by clicking the subscribe button. So let's get started. I'm using pycharm Community Edition as my IDE in writing this program. So the name of our program is the file name is kilometers_miles.py. So in writing a program in Python, we have to be observed with the right coding convention. So it should be small letters, and then the extension should be py. Then in our comment here, written by yours truly, Professor Jake Rodriguez Pomperada, my IT, and then I have two websites which you can visit, and then you can download free source code. So the first one is www.jakerpomperada.blogspot.com, and then the other one is jakerpomperada.com. And then right now I am accepting programming jobs, web development, as programming assignment. You can reach me in my personal email address at jakerpomperada@gmail.com. So we have here a machine problem. Write a program that will ask the user to give a distance in kilometers, and then it will convert it into miles distance equivalent. So in line number 11 up to 13, we have here print. This will act as a new line. \t horizontal tab, kilometers to miles in Python. This will be the title of our program. The \t is the same in C language. It refers to horizontal tab if you are familiar with escape sequence characters. Next, we have another variable, kilometers equals float input, how many kilometers. So when we say float, these are data types that can accept with decimal values. It will be stored in our variable kilometers. Next, we have here a comment, sharp conversion factor. So the conversion factors for miles is 0.621371. And then line number 17, we have another comment, calculate miles. 17 will perform the conversion already. We have a variable miles equals kilometers. We just multiply it with our conversion factor, which has a value of 0.621371. Print new line, and then line number 20, we will display the result. %0 3 3 decimal places, but I will 03 okay, 3 decimal places, we will change it to adjust to 2 decimal places. Kilometers is equivalent to 0.f miles. So we are here formatting kilometers in miles, and then print new line and a program, and then print, informing the user that the program has been ended. Okay, so let us run the program. Okay, kilometers to miles in Python, how many kilometers? Let's say we have 10. So 10 kilometers is equal to 6.21 miles. End of program. Another example, we have 29 kilometers. So 29 kilometers is equal to 18.02 miles. End of program. So this is the end of our tutorial video. I will put a link below in the description of this video so that you can download the complete source code. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to share, like, and please support my channel by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial, guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.